Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be kind of a steak fajita kind of night, guys. I was originally planning this cook outside on the griddle, and we got some rain coming in, and I'm just not sure I could beat the rain. So we're gonna do it inside on our electric griddle that I don't think I've ever shown you before. So guys, go to the store. I was looking for some fajita meat or a good steak that I could just cut up in fajita strips. Either way would have been fine with me, but couldn't find what I was looking for. But I did find this. This is fajita meat, pre-seasoned. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna give that a try and see what happens. For our veggies, I'm not cutting up any veggies. I've done this before. Taking the lazy way. I've been spoiled since I found this fajita blend in the frozen food section. It's got some red and green bell peppers and some onions pre-cut up, and it's just mama nice. So I'm going to use about half this bag on our griddle. So guys, let's get going. Let me show you what we're doing. Alright, go ahead and turn this on. I don't want it on real high for the vegetables. Just going up to around a little over 300, between 300 and 350, and just let it get heated up. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure most of you have seen these before. I've had this griddle for quite some time actually, and I don't think I've ever shown it to you. Just your standard. This is a Presto electric griddle. It heats up by one of these inserts like so many others do. This is 22 inches wide. I both love it and hate it. Love cooking on it. I cook a lot of breakfast on it actually, but I hate cleaning it. It's just big and bulky. Sometimes I wish I had the smaller version, but this one does a really good job. So we're gonna cook our fajitas all right here. All right guys, I'm only gonna do about half of this bag because it's just the two of us. All right, that's probably a little bit more than half. Don't have any fancy tools like we got outside, but we can get this job done. But I am going to come in here and season this with some of that, it's from Blackstone, taco and fajita seasoning. Just going to get a little bit of this on the veggies. There we go. Alright guys, go ahead and get the meat on over here. I don't really know what kind of seasoning they use. We're gonna cook it up and just hope it tastes good. I could have probably done that with my hands a little bit to split them up before I put it on, but it's alright, we're gonna get it done. Alright guys, we're gonna give these guys a flip. That's all we're doing is cooking them till they're done. Get a little grill on them, a little sear. Looking good, guys. Alright guys, these veggies, they're pretty much done. I just know by using this very far edge over here does not get that hot. So I'm pushing all my veggies over here to the side just to keep them warm. I don't want them to flip out, but yeah, there we go. Well, it should be good. Oop. Get out of there. There we go. We're pretty close to done on this, guys. I fully expect my smoke detector to go off on this cook. Oh, it's so thin, you gotta be very careful here, but I'm pretty sure we're about there. 130, 140. Yeah, I'm pulling this, guys. We are ready to make us some fajitas. It's only been about 10 minutes or so since I put the meat on, so yeah, we're good to go. Okay, one last little step here. Just heat up some tortillas. I'll just go right over top of what we just cooked. Won't take long. Alright guys, let's make something a little special here. We'll come in here with a little bit of meat. This stuck together, we'll just get them both. I always overdo these. Y'all seen me do fajitas before. We're gonna go with that right there. Come in with a few of these vegetables. And for me, just a little sour cream. Let's get a taste of that. All right, I can see this being messy. Look at that. See all that? All right, going in. You know, meat's quite tasty. I have no idea what Myers uses. I take a chance on some of that every once in a while, just because you never know what you're gonna get with the pre-seasoned foods. And this one was pretty good. I can taste that meat really good. All right, definitely a good steak fajita. I feel like I got something on my lip. Guys, thank you so much. Fun little cook. I was gonna do this on the griddle outside. I don't think it's raining yet, so I probably would have beat it. Who knows? But I still gotta clean up. We got weather moving in. I don't know when it's gonna get here, but it's kind of scared me back indoors tonight. So guys, thank you as always. Please hit that like button. It helps us out a lot. Mama, what did you think? I didn't ask you that. What did you think?
I think it's delicious.
Mama approved.
I love it.
I do too. It's really good. Really good fajita. Again, thank you. Hit that like button. Helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification. Let you know every time we post a new video. So guys, until next time, I'm gonna give you a big cheers here. Tonight's cocktail. God bless you folks. Bye-bye.